Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you how to enhance your audio on CapCut Mobile. The best way to fix your audio and get a better audio. How I do it, I just remember this particular trick and I said, let me try it on CapCut, and it did work. So the first thing to do is you import your file you want to use. Let's say you want to use the audio. I'm just going to use this particular video. I'm just going to split it right here and delete. So now this is the file we're going to be working with. Now we want to edit this particular video that I did recently, just today, and we want to enhance the audio. So this is how it sounds like. I think the name is Dust of Life. Now I have a microphone on. So the first thing is you have to have a good audio. Make sure your audio is usable before you can enhance it way better. If your audio is completely bad, that can be a problem. There will be little to nothing you can do to fix that. So how do we go about this? If you click on this, let's say you've now elected on the video. If you click on this video and you scroll to the bottom left menus, you will see option for enhance voice, audio effect, reduce noise, isolate voice, extract audio, and all of that. You can use all of this to enhance your voice, right? But it's not going to be that great. So let's say we come to enhance voice. If we select this option to enhance the voice, it's just going to be doing this AI stuff because CapCut is driven by AI. So almost everything you're going to be doing on CapCut is just AI and all of that. Well, so I'll say minimize while it's doing this thing, and I'll say okay, so that I can be doing my other things. Then let's say I prefer to. So I've done that. So I've done the effect of the voice, enhance the voice. So I'll add audio effect. Let's say I want to add audio effect. I'm just going to look for voice enhancers and all of that. I can say energetic a little bit. I think the name is Dust. That's too much. So I'm just going to reduce it to 4%. I think the name is so Dust of for me. With the effect, you can do any other voice you want, any other effect you want on your voice. I'm going to say reduce noise. I'm just going to I think the name is so Dust. That is that. So how can you take it further? How can we do it a little bit more better to make it more enhanced or give it more effect? This is what I will advise you guys to do. You can do it on desktop, you can use it on mobile. So we select it again, select your video, go to the same menu. This is what I will advise you or guide you to do is extract audio. Let's click on extract audio. Now we have our audio to play with separately from our video. Make sure you're not moving the video or moving anything on your timeline and you're not doing anything to alter the audio. So scroll down to the bottom left to the same menu again. We have audio translator and the rest here. Now we want to duplicate this audio. Let's duplicate this audio and see. So duplicate it. Now we need to take it to the bottom. I'm going to double the audio, which I already did. Remember we had some effect on the first audio. I'm going to scroll to the bottom left and do more effect on the next audio. So we did some voice enhancer. So I'm just going to reduce this a little bit. I'll say minimize while I continue with what I'm doing. Then audio effect. Okay. I can't work on that right now because I'm currently working on something. So I'm just going to I think the name. So that's it. I'm just going to come to audio effect. We used something different previously. So there's voice, character, speech to song, and all of that. No. So we stick on this. I'm just going to scroll, look for something. Okay, super reverb. Reverb is fine. I think the name is a little bit again. I think the name is the Dust of Life, which is a Ghana movie. It's a pixel. Now women refer to. I think the name is. Now we'll look for something else. Let's say. Refer to. I think the name is. I'm just going to reduce it a little bit. Now refer to I think the name is we doubling and doubling effect on this voice just to enhance our voice. I learned something like this when I used to produce music back in the days in studio. We double voice to make it have some kind of like effect or bars or stuff like that. So let's say we want to add bars to it. We already added that. I'm still gonna come here and say I'll duplicate and I'll drag this to the bottom left just to make sure that they're all on the same level. So I don't have some funny kind of like sound. So I just gonna go again. I'll go to audio effect again. I'm looking for something that's, I'm looking for bars. Okay, let's search for bars. Let's see bars effects. Is this bars effects? Refer to I think the name is refer to I think the name is refer to I think the name is Dust of Life, which is a Vietnam movie, depicts a significant role the Vietnam. So that's fine. So I'll say, I think I already have it on, right? Yeah, it's on. So okay. So we have like 3 audio and all of them are all for one video. Now you're gonna feel the difference between this and the rest. So refer to I think the name is. So we already have all of this, so we can keep going to just get that texture we're looking for the audio. But if you want to see the difference or hear the difference, I'm just going to delete each and every one of them. But first, let's add one more and see. I'm going to try something completely different here this time around. Let's say enhance voice. I will come a little bit down. I think the name is Doc. So we already have that. Then we should add some audio effect, okay? I think the if you listen very well, you can tell that this audio is gradually changing, getting more quality and getting more richer. So let's say we want to try voice character. If we put any character here, let's say like David. Let's just wait for it to load up. Refer to I think the name is Dust of Life, which is a Vietnam movie, depicts a significant role the So if you listen vividly, if you listen very well, you can tell that there's load of difference with the original audio and more quality with this particular one we've done so far. Like, it's a very emotional movie. And you can see this movie, these women were involved in various activities, not especially one you're seeing, including creating. So now let's start deleting one after the other. So I'm just gonna come here. Refer to I think the name is Dust of Life. So let's gonna delete this and listen to it again. Refer to I think the name is Dust of Life, which is a Vietnam movie. So we can hear the difference. Delete this again. Now we have left with 2 audio. Refer to I think the name is Dust of Life. You can tell this little bit changing. It's going back to the original. It's no more that enhanced anymore. So I'll delete it again. Now we're left with the last audio. Refer to I think the name is Dust of Life. So you guys can tell now that the audio is completely different. Everything is completely different. The enhancements, what I just showed you guys, is completely helpful. Your voice is going to have that rich texture. Let me know if you're aware of this particular trick before. If you're first time trying it, let me know what you did with it, and see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.